जय जगन्नाथ जी। हेलो दोस्तों। So in this time I am going with track to visit the Hirakud Dam, Gandhi Minar, because Gandhi Minar, which is located on the height of the hill of Hirakud Dam in Sambalpur on Mahanadi Reservoir and Hirakud Reservoir. So let's see the view. I am trekking right now and going towards the Gandhi Minar. There are two minars on the dam. On one end there is Jawahar Minar, and on the second end there is a Gandhi Minar. So I am going to visit Gandhi Minar from here by trekking. So let's see how much time I will take to reach there, Gandhi Minar of Hirakud Dam. So I will show you in details and full show view of the Hirakud Dam and reservoir from there along with Mahanadi River. So let's explore together with me. तो अभी भी मैं ट्रैकिंग कर रहा हूँ. आई डोंट नो हाउ मच टाइम आई विल टेक, बट आई एम गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द गांधी मीनार ऑफ हीराकुंड डैम. फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन सी द टोटल व्यू ऑफ द हीराकुंड रिजर्वायर डैम एंड महानदी रिवर. सो स्टे अपडेट विथ मी एंड लेट्स एक्सप्लोर टुगेदर विथ मी. मेरे साथ एक्सप्लोर करते रहें हीराकुंड डैम, गांधी मीनार, जवाहर मीनार, हीराकुंड रिजर्वायर और महानदी रिवर. Thank you so much. Jai Jagannath ji. So this is the view of the Hirakud Reservoir, which is clearly visible from the here, and half of the way I completed, and also I am going towards the Gandhi Minar from here. So we know about that the Hirakud Dam, which is built across the Mahanadi River in Orissa, which is 25.8 km long, making it the longest earthen dam in the world. And the dam impounds the Mahanadi River to form the Hirakud Reservoir, which covers a vast area in 55 km, and it's known as the longest artificial lake in Asia also. So right now I reached on the top of the dam here. So the dam was designed for flood control in the Mahanadi Delta, irrigation and hydroelectric power generation, making it a significant infrastructure project for the region. So the Hirakud Dam was built by the government of India with the foundation stone, which is laid in 1946 by Hadron Lewis, the then governor of Orissa at that time. So I am feeling so awesome here, and I am going to show the view of Hirakud Dam from here. And even mobile and camera is not allowed to take the video and photograph from the main dam. So I am taking here from the above of Gandhi Minar. So this is the view of Hirakud Dam, which is visible here. So really is looking so awesome and so unique. So a project report was submitted to the government in June 1947, and Jawaharlal Nehru laid the first batch of concrete on 12 April in 1948, and the construction of dam officially completed in 1953. So Hirakud Reservoir is one of the first multi-purpose river valley project started after India's independence, making a milestone in the nation's development. So finally I reached to the Hirakud Dam, Gandhi Minar, which is clearly visible from my back. So this is the Gandhi Minar, and opposite of the Gandhi Minar in another bank there is Jawahar Minar. So let's see Finally, one of my dream also completed, that today I am here too, and I have seen the world longest dam, that is a Hirakund Dam. So let's see the view, and thank God that today I completed my dream. So let's explore to visit me more. Thank you so much. So from this way I am going on the top of the Gandhi Minar, because we are also allowed to visit inside the Gandhi Minar, so I am going. And this is the beautiful falls here, fountain. So Hirakund Reservoir was also declared a Ramsar site on 12 October in 2021, and the total cost of project was 100 crore millions at that time in Indian rupees, and in US dollar it was 1.2 billion in 2023 in 1957. So the main dam has length of 4.8 km spanning between two hills, the Lakshmi Dungri hill of the left and the Chandili Dangri hills on the right, where two minars is also there. One side there is a Gandhi Minar, and the second side on the hill there is a Jawahar Minar. So I am right now visiting the Gandhi Minar here. This is the view, which is 64 feet height. So there are also two observation towers on the dam, one at each side, and one is Gandhi Minar and the another is Jawahar Minar. That is, I am on the one observation tower, that is a Gandhi Minar. I came inside. So it's also very warm inside, and the ropeway is also available. Anybody who want to came here, you want to come by the ropeway, anyone who is interested, so they can come with ropeway also. So this is the route of ropeway. Gandhi Minar on the top. Let's see the view of the dam reservoir height, that is a Gandhi Minar on the Hirakund Dam, which is clearly visible from the here. So let's see the view of Gandhi Minar, and everything is clearly visible from the here, the Hirakund Reservoir, dams and hills and Mahanadi river from here. So let's stay together with me and explore the every places with me. Thank you so much for that. So I can see that the one ropeway is coming, cable car is coming from this ropeway here. But I came here by trekking, because I love to trek, and even I have seen so many ropeway, and also I used ropeway when I was in Maharashtra. So I also used ropeway to go Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Raigarh Fort by ropeway. So this is the way I am going inside the Gandhi Minar on the top. And there are also floor, first floor, second floor, first floor through the Gandhi Minar. So I came here again. I will go on the top of the Gandhi Minar, because right now I am on the, I think, second floor. I came through the Gandhi Minar. So again I will show the presentation view of the Hirakund Reservoir and lake from the top of the ropeway, top of the Minar. From this way I came on the top of the Gandhi Minar observation here, and really it's a very amazing and unique, and so many travelers also came here. And this is the window. From in this window we can see the representative views of the Hirakund Dam and reservoir. Really it's looking so awesome here, which is made by the Mahanadi river. So this is the whole experience about the Mahanadi river, Hirakund Dam reservoir, and the longest earth dam across the world, Mahanadi Hirakund Dam and reservoir.